In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify Sendgrid website. Verifying your Sendgrid website connection is an important step because it helps ensure that messages sent through your domain are properly authorized. When your domain is authenticated, you reduce the risk of delivery issues and improve trust with receiving email systems. In this tutorial, you will follow a clear path inside Sendgrid, and you will also update a few DNS records with your domain provider. To begin, open your Sendgrid dashboard. Once you are in, look for the Settings area. Click Settings to move into the Configuration tools where Sendgrid manages domain and sending permissions. This is the central place where you will find the options needed for sender authentication. Next, within Settings, you will see an option for Sender Authentication. Click Sender Authentication. This section is designed specifically for adding and verifying domain authentication, so it is exactly where you need to go to start the verification process. You will also notice that the page explains what you are trying to accomplish, which helps you understand why each step matters. Now, under the heading Authenticate Your Domain, you will see a button that says Get Started. Click Get Started to begin the guided setup. Taking this action starts the workflow, so Sendgrid can generate the specific DNS records you must add to your domain. This is important because the DNS records must match what Sendgrid expects. After you click Get Started, you will be asked to select your DNS host. Choose the DNS host that manages your domain records. This might be your current registrar or another provider where your domain's DNS is hosted. Selecting the correct host helps the interface give you the right format and guidance for adding the required records. Then you will be prompted to enter your website domain. Type the domain you want to verify. Make sure you enter it accurately using the correct spelling and the correct base domain. After you have entered the domain, you are ready to continue. When you are finished entering the website domain, click Next. This moves you to the part of the process where Sendgrid tells you exactly what DNS records to add. At this stage, Sendgrid will generate details like the record names and values you will need to copy into your domain provider. Take a moment to review what is displayed on screen so you know what to expect. Now you will need to switch over to your domain provider, meaning the service where your DNS settings are managed. Add the required DNS records to your domain provider using the information shown in Sendgrid. You should carefully place each record in the correct field type, such as the appropriate record type and the correct host or name. Also make sure the value matches exactly, because small differences can prevent verification from working properly. Once you have added the records, give it a brief moment to finish saving on your domain side. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, depending on your provider. While propagation is happening, you can return to Sendgrid to check whether verification is ready. Now go back to Sendgrid. Find the page where you were generating the DNS records and proceed to verification. Click Verify to prompt Sendgrid to check whether your DNS records have been detected. If verification succeeds, you will typically see a confirmation that your domain is authenticated. If it does not succeed immediately, it may be due to DNS propagation delay. So waiting a little longer and trying again can resolve it. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to verify your Sendgrid website domain.